Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today I am doing a requested video and showing you the Coloriage Wild collection of books. I have finally purchased the last one, so I own all 6 now, and I was asked by a few of you actually if I would do a flip through. Most important things before I get started on these bad boys are they are an 8x8, I believe. I'll measure just to, so I don't get corrected. Oh, a little under 8, like a smidgy under 8. But because I don't feel like calculating that out, and then they're a little bit longer than 8, not quite 8.5. So you know what? They're 8 by 8-ish. They are on 250 GSM paper, or I'm sorry, grams paper. But it's a nice thick cardstock. You can hear it. Quite soft. So not, there is some tooth, but not a lot of tooth. All of them are spiral bound with the perforated edges, so you can pull them out. Now, from what I understand, these are great for watercolor, I would assume, with this thick paper. Pencils are iffy. I will find that out as I color them, but I wanted to collect them all. So let's start with book number 1. Each book has duplicates of the images. You can always see them on the back. So these are the images that are in the book, but I'll have 2 of each, which is nice because if you make an oopsie or whatever. All right, so here we go. Very adorable images too. I've always wanted to get these. Kicked myself in the backside for not buying them on Amazon when they were there. Let me zoom in. Now, you can still get these on Amazon. It's just wishy-washy when and where is what I mean by that. That one's really pretty. That might be one of the first ones I do. I don't know. It's so hard to say. That one's adorable. It's almost like a bad hair day. And yes, I do comment through my flip through videos. Most of you who watch my channel know that, but if for some reason that bothers you, please feel free to mute me, turn on some music. And I believe we're back to the start, aren't we? Yep, so we're back to the beginning. So that's book 1. Now we're on to book 2. Not a ton of images, but that's okay. You're getting good paper and spiral binding and double images. A little spider in there. I've seen this one done quite a few times. I know some people are turned off by these because sometimes there's a lot of bugs in them, and I feel ya. I really like that one. But overall, they're really very pretty artwork. I think this one's stuck together. Hang on. Like, you know, little spider. Can always paint over it. That's a really pretty one. Tons of profile images. I'm not gonna lie, that intimidates me a little because I suck at that. So like, see, there's a spider. That part kind of creeps me out. Trying to remember. I have a problem remembering what the first image is on each one. That's cute. And then we're at the first. So yeah, the paper in this one feels the same as the other one. I don't know if they change over the years or not. Because let's see, does it say when the first one was published? Oh, this is recycled paper. That's actually, oh, it's, okay, it's Clairefontaine paper that these are printed on. That's good to know. I like Clairefontaine paper. All right, now we're on to book 3. 28 images total, but it's 14 times 2, and all of them are 14 images, I think, from what I remember. A lot of profile facing, and I'm not very good at profile facing with skin, so I'm gonna get my practice. Let's see, like the little buggies. You don't have to color them, you can just ignore them. This one's cute though with the bees. Yeah. Very unique style of artwork. I know some people are a little uncomfortable because in some you can see, you know, the whole body and they're naked, but it's just their art style. That would be a fun one for the fall. And I love that there's a bunch of different ethnicities, which is great practice for me. Okay, that one's done. I really do, like, I used to hate double images. Now we're on to book 4. I used to really hate double images, but now I appreciate it. That one's intimidating. Okay, so the paper in this one is now different. This is a very smooth cardstock, but it still says 250, but it's not. The other one was smooth, but it had a little tooth. This is very smooth. So I do want to note that on this edition I got. But yeah, I appreciate the double images simply because you might want to do one in all watercolor, or you just messed one up. Or say you color one and you want to go back and color it a couple years later with, you know, your skills and see how you've improved. Maybe you want to follow a color along on one of them, but then do it yourself on another. It feels like these are stuck together, but I'm not seeing where it comes apart. So it looks like this one's pretty heavy on animal companions. This one's going to be a really hard one for me. I love to color hair, but I absolutely suck at coloring fur. I have seen this done a few times. It's quite cute. Guess I'm gonna get my profile and hair or fur practice. Wow, look at that one. It's amazing. Such beautiful work. Oh, that one's beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. I've seen that one done quite a few times. Could color that one like my husky if I wanted. Alright, that's the images for book 4. I will leave links in the description below. And of course, if you like this flip through, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. We're on number 5. It always helps me to know. Okay, I'm comparing the paper. So now we're back to the paper that I had in books 1 through 3. That just teensy bit of tooth. So that's kind of interesting. I'm gonna check. It still says it was printed on Clairefontaine paper, but something smoother with that one. I like that one a lot. Oh, this fur. If you see any images in here you'd like to see me do a color along or a tutorial on, oh my gosh, look at that. Let me know in the comments below. I have seen that one done a few times too. Oh my goodness. It's a lot of bees. That's a beautiful one. Adorable. I really like this one. I really do. Great paper, so you could pull these out and frame them. In fact, you know, I said it was a little over 8 inches, but if you're counting the perforation, it's probably about this. It would be a perfect square. That's the end of that one. Okay, now we are on to the final. So this is the latest and greatest. I was trying to see. There's no publishing info. I'll have to look it up. Okay, now this paper Yeah, this has like feels a little smoother. It's interesting because none of them really had fish before, and this one's definitely got a fish vibe. It's actually really cool. Quite the unique style, but not like way out there style. I like that one. Look at all those just resting in her beautiful curls. I have seen this one done a few times. It's absolutely gorgeous. Now, these ones would be really fun with watercolor. Oh, I love the hair on that one. So intricate. It's pretty too. And that's the end. So yeah, that is book 6, book 5, book 4, book 3, oops, book 2, book 1. That's a lot of books. But like I said, you can get them on Amazon. Just depends on when and where you're looking. I'll leave links in the description below. And I will take a look on a few other sites. And if I do find them elsewhere, I'll leave links in the description there too, in case you're wanting to collect these. I do not know if there will be a book 7 or when that will come out. I'm actually very new to this artist, so I don't know a ton. But either way, I've always wanted to collect them, and I've finished a collection, so I'm really excited to start working on these. Let me know in the comments below if you have any, what's your favorite book, or if any of them you'd like to see me tackle on camera. All right, until next time, take care. Bye now.